Disclaimer, this isn't an how-to. Just, if that's what you're looking for, this ain't the video. And another disclaimer, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up! Another disclaimer, I don't actually know how legal this is. So, don't do this. She should probably leave my watch off. Don't work. Things on.
Don't work.
Don't work.
Should have just left it there.
Just don't work.
Just stop it.
Get some help. Don't work with fucking watches or jewelry on. Shit's not fun. I like my fingies where they are.
Yeah.
Right in my butt.
It's a PSA. Oh. Oh, fuck.
We are here today with my 2009 Crown Victoria Roxanne. God damn. Today we are installing a PA system / Siren in my police car. Brian has not seen this yet, have you?
No.
No, you haven't? All right, pretty simple, straightforward. It's the little box. So you got your auxiliary to put your mic in, whales, high-low, yelp, whale, bunch of different stuff in there. And here's a switch, you can go horn and siren. And these are for if you want to wire up lights later on, switch them on and off. Might just wire in my spotlight to work with one of these because it's already there instead of drilling a hole and making a button. And then, yeah, if you can't see, it's a 200-watt system. So, for the piece de la resistance, the fucking speaker. I did not expect it to be this big.
Oh.
I don't know if you know what? I haven't even checked and see if it'll fit.
That's just hilarious.
This is the Siren. Warning, produces loud sounds, may cause hearing damage, wear hearing protection.
Hey, that's the goal, man.
Most of the other ones are about the size of the fucking, like this.
Yeah.
This is huge. How the fuck am I gonna mount this? First things first, we actually have to figure out where we're putting everything. So I don't wanna make this a long, stupid video. I wanna figure out the placement of this first, because it has an inline fuse, which is nice. Then I have to plug it in and wire all these cables somehow. The instructions are definitely not clear. I'm sure my dick will be in a toaster by the end of this video. That's how clear they are. Come on in, let's see where I should place it. So my original idea, I was actually gonna put it up here. Problem is, it's not very level.
Yep.
And it comes with a weird mounting bar, so I was wondering if I could put it like right fucking here. But then the mic cable would go all the way down here, and it's just kind of a pain.
Yeah.
But what if I was hoping I could just jam it in here,
Okay.
and then it's hidden too, right? Actually, I can kind of jam it in there. That might not be the worst idea, because the only thing it'd be covering is a stupid cigarette lighter port down here. See, it's still just really hard to jam it in there. See, though, once I jam it in there, it's actually in a pretty good spot. What do you think? Because it won't move a lot once it's in there. So, like...
honestly, that actually looks pretty clean.
That's actually not a bad idea. I think we should totally leave it there.
Okay.
Let me know in the comments down below. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Oh yeah, I don't have to yell at the camera. I have a mic right here. So thank you guys for watching this video. Bye. Yeah, okay, so we figured out that. Awesome. You're still recording, right? I hope you didn't actually... You didn't stop recording, right? You're not answering me, Ryan.
I like the ambiguity. I feel like if I don't give you all the answers, you'll keep chasing them. I'll be a better adventure overall.
You got a point. The only thing I got to figure out now is where to mount it. So, now, hey, Brian, you can finally see the welded
Oh, true.
the frame mount.
Yeah.
Let me get a light in there for you, bud. She's welded in. A little oxidized now. Holy. So, yeah.
Is that bad?
Yes, and?
Because it's only been like maybe a week or two.
Yeah, I was gonna undercoat it so it wouldn't do that, but then, well, I think in general it will actually fit in here. And I'll probably put it right in the fucking center.
Can you take the grill out?
Yeah. So that's what I was gonna do is take the grill out, but guess what's in the way of the grill?
Oh.
We'll cut back when we take everything apart and then take
Okay.
the grill.
Now I am.
Oh. Okay. Sorry, just doing a little. Bring it around town. Bring it around town. Bring it around town. Because we're gonna fit this bitch in. I took the grill off. It's 4 bolts, nice and easy. Again, not a tutorial. If you're still watching, why? But also thanks. So why? So I seen people put them like here or here, right? Just mounting it to like the plastic or whatever the fuck, fiberglass, sorry. Sure, I'll mount it to the fiberglass.
Yeah.
It's intimidating, but it ain't gonna fit with the grill on it.
Nope.
See this big frame mount that we built for this bad boy right here?
What's it made out of?
Angle iron.
Angle iron. You made your own bracket.
And then it'd be perfect because here, then I'll drill right here, and then I'll push this down. It's actually pretty damn close. You know what? Then I can put it like right here, right there. It'll fit, and the grill will fit right over top of it. I think off center is better than dead center. I mean, even if I want, yeah. Oh, I just touched the thing.
You touched the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you touched the.
Oh, my thing!
Oh.
And yes, I do mean my thing. Oh, you sack of
That's what you
shit.
missed.
I cannot fit my face under here.
Drilled into that. Yep. Yeah.
What the fuck is that? Oh my, ew. A bolt's going in my spacer. My ear spacer. I can hear it ring through my ear. It's disgusting. It goes. Yeah, hey Brian.
Yep.
Could you hold down one of the bolts from up top and just like push your finger down on it so I can start the nut?
Sure. I'll do the one on my right.
Okay, driver's side or passenger side?
Driver's side.
Okay, excellent.
I'm glad my contribution is on video.
Yeah.
This is clearly the most important part of this.
I couldn't do it without you, buddy.
Oh, fuck.
I'd be lost without you. You're my only hope in a cruel, cruel world of nobody to help.
Damn, that's fucking dark, dude.
Well, that's life. But we got it started, so... Ugh. My balls! Except they're not. Because they're not square. Silly, they're triangles.
Yeah. Yeah. The triangles.
Hey! Tight.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got that bolted down. You don't need to see me. You can still hear me. Right?
Yeah.
Mwah.
I mean, I see you. Oh, fuck. Sneaky. He's elusive for someone that's like 6'4". Fuck. We lost him. Where could he possibly be?
So I thought, bitch, you can't find me, bitch.
Oh
You
shit, he
never
literally
see me,
went
bitch.
outside.
Oh shit!
Josh, come back here, dude. I can't drive. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, in the middle of somewhere.
A fucking cornfield.
Long-time viewers will know where that field's from. Comment in the comment section down below if you know what video that field's from.
Whoa.
Oh, see? It all loops around, man. Fuck, I'm fat. I gotta drill through my firewall, I think, to send all the wires through down here. Bring them all the way up here. And all the way down to the speaker. And I think I gotta plug one into the battery and whatnot. And so, now that we got our location and what we want, let's start tearing apart the interior a little bit.
Woo.
Now, come with me and you'll see a world of OSHA violations.
It's so funny, like that thing's not even screwed.
Ah! Fuck you, birds! Shit hawks!
That was a lot of them.
Fucking more birds!
Oh fuck.
Look at all the
We're gonna have to
birds.
deal with this. We're gonna fight the birds.
Ah, bitch!
Ah!
So all I gotta do, there's a stupid little panel here. I just gotta fucking... Motherfucking...
Couldn't see the surgery.
There we go, that's good enough. So, the only thing I gotta figure out, actually, you stay there, I'm gonna find another rag. Gotta figure out where to insert the wiring. Apparently, I think Chris Fix actually just drilled right underneath here and ran it through. So I'm gonna go double check the video and make sure that's where he drilled it so there's nothing there. And then I'm gonna drill right through it and put a rubber grommet in it so it doesn't cut the wires over time. Okay. And we wire right through. See, now, you know how they always said righty-tighty, lefty-loosey? It's so easy to remember, that can't be the right way. So it's obviously black to red and red to black. You gotta cross the streams. And you gotta intertwine them like this and then connect them opposite.
Perfect, dude. That sounds right to me. No
I can't even keep a straight face, bro. It's so stupid. Okay, that should be the grommet then. Just enough room to fit all of them in there. And again, if I want to put 2 more wires in there, I can absolutely do that. Pilot hole drilled. Just a couple more fucking drinks, Babanarin.
Lay, you're fucking drunk. Go home.
Fuck you, Brandy. Fucking have a drink with me, bud.
Think you're a cop, you're not a fucking cop, you're just a dickhead.
Randy, words hurt, bud. I really wonder if that's big enough or not, because it's really giving me a tough time to get in there. Okay, I'm gonna test the wiring, see if it fits through. If not, I'll drill the hole a little bit bigger and reset it.
Yeah, it was a doozy.
Yeah, it's all wired in. I just gotta snip the zip ties and everything. Ran it all across. It's all wired in and everything now. Yeah, not fun. Apparently they were not the same gauge of wire for some stupid reason. So, first things first, I'm gonna plug it in and see if it works before I go ahead and throw everything back in. God, please work.
Perfect.
Jesus.
Dude, that's not even halfway. Ready? Full blast.
Jesus. Talk through it.
It works. Holy shit. Oh, thank God it fucking works though. Holy fuck. After what was that, like almost 3-4 hours? I actually got to mount one more thing, but it's real easy. Are you ready for this? Brian Noriega, you are under arrest for being a little bitch.
Perfect. That's completely unintelligible. That's what we want.
Unintelligible, my ass.
Okay.
Okay, that is probably totally illegal, but it's okay. I'm in a garage, I'm parked, I'm in private property. Technically, that's legal. Other than noise pollution, that's gonna be the only actual thing. So I'm not actually planning to use this on the road. I just think it's really fucking funny to have. It's a flex. So now I gotta put us all back together, but sorry the video's a fucking jumble of God knows fucking what. ADHD fucking... But I had fun. Did you have fun? I'm dirty. Are you dirty?
I'm
fucking dirty.
I'm clean.
You're a dirty bitch, Brian. Brian's a dirty bitch. Try it. I want to see what it sounds like from the outside. I didn't get that opportunity.
1 2 1 2. Fuck yourself. Fuck yourself. 1 2 1 2.
Okay.
Okay. I can't believe I fucking wired a Siren PA system in. Are you happy with it, Brian?
I'm pretty happy with it.
Okay. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good God, I don't know what kind of trouble I'm going to get in, but it's probably going to be a lot. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. And remember, be nice to your grandmothers. Okay? Right, Brian?
Right?
Be nice to your grandmother?
Oh, yeah. Easy. Yeah.
Damn straight.
Do that.
Bye, guys.
Bye.